to be you get a voice no. More minutes to 4. I feel time now so. Me say oh Baba frame. Now what woman here in Yamia? Eti kwaba na be fa so obetimi yi Yamia ya wie yi. Hey, Friday, freestyle edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, Friday, the 18th of January 2019. Radio One Voice, Pentecostal praise, pa pa pa. So get ready to give me that call right now. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Now you're quiet. Me say come home na yen nyame aye. Enti unfraba be prepared to praise God. Now uba na want me and praising and am we. Yen kwa man so yen find first caller. Hello. Hey.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Fine afternoon.
Kwaku Emmanuel.
Yes, Kwaku Emmanuel.
Mr. Nobody.
Yes, sir.
I am prophesying. No, you are called Mr. Nobody, but you'll be somebody, okay?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
I do my for my mom, I am somebody.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
All right. Praise God. Praise. Ye radia.
Yo, Rade, me the wafe. Mau, mochum. Kanene opena mi o mau. O kre agbo. O mga kokroko. Ka agbo mi o loko be. Mau. O me agbo. Ne loko be ne manye. Ekamo efia nyame bidawase uye kokroko nyame uye kokrudu bibia ni wa unya wose ye fon wa yentimi ye ajewo nyakopon uye kokroko
amen
uye kokrudu bidawase
amen ya pipi ni bi na joba gaze eshi zwenye za kokrudu.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your first name?
You're from Irajua Champion.
Irajua Champion. Beautiful name. Irajua, me person wi nyame aye.
Okay. Irade do wase. Ye yo kesi ende de area buri. Ye yo kesa ye huma ye kabapa eya himuhim eye remera. Ehunte ne hunyame awunyame a eye kokomota yensan humbopo de biara da yeda wase because of it crowded there justice with the be on there.
Amen that's a have a nice weekend.
Hello Brad Jerry.
Good afternoon.
Brad Jerry.
Yes, your first saying.
Are
you ready to praise God?
I'm ready.
Okay, praise God. Let's go.
Oh, so Yamia, that was it. Yamia, I am father. When Yamia, you want I were doing now, I don't know, share so I will be something. Then I say, I bring you now. Amen.
Hello. Good afternoon. How to say? Sister Adwa. Udem. Yinyamia mi uncle.
You me nyamia ya make a sia okokroko wa chinu wanim obi ani ho obrempon ye chirwa trade nyame wo yakase wo trade nyina ohun ta nyame obrempon ye kukuru ye ma so ye pejao ye yakase. Amen.
Sister Adwa wa ni na mi chao. afternoon.
Just good afternoon.
Me patro from saying.
Joe, me kwete free Azim.
All right, Joe. Yinyamia ya mienko.
Joe from Azim.
Joe yinyamia ya mienko.
Joe. Onyankopon kwa me. Joe, onyankopon kwa me. Onyankopon kwa me boss obo asase. Onyankopon kwa me bo nkwa bo owuo. Udindi yawo a. Anyame onyankopon. Ojo bu so bo ade, oni awurade. Oboburu cheda mpa, oyo de bankoma. Wo de form na tie na nyina fa kasefo. Na man nkwa se wo na wo de nkwa ho mi gunu mu. Na man obi ati nyina se wo ndi so. Adbanko nyame o maye yiwaye. Adbanko ko nyame o maye mo mo.
Amen. 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 Nyankopon kwa me na wase. Wate. Nyankopon kwa me na wase. Next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Your brother? Mohammed. Akwa Bampacho radio.
Pacho tienya kwa ya amamenu. Bruna june ntia deswa. Ni jwa ntia tie. Because anya mahonti. Kamre uko kolebu na hospital ketie no a obi da ho onya anu enkasa. Ba mini mi buti afọ die na moda afọ die. Ba di aye am.
Ti ayeye na anu no.
Ayeye na.
Hello, Black Jelly.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Black Jelly.
You're from say.
You're from Mensa, Mikasafi Nation.
You're from Mensa.
Mikasafi Nation.
I'm Kasa Yobao.
By my fan, I want to make a channel. The Black Jelly here.
Mensa, Bibia Boko there.
Okay.
Missy Bibia Boko there.
Adom.
Nice. Me pacho inyamia mi onko bra Mensa.
Ateni po we di lapa we si o staff ama. We e kometo no now epusa wa na hi semu wal. O no on the kante on wo so school in the asra. O no on the ku afana emego. Ateni po ane da wa se. Ba atola abo nani na atombo na atobabo. And the wa se adminity. Amen.
Amen. Where is my
Dabi ya angasa ya so for kwam na ayi dan ni man
asokofa we asokofa ene na jubo nsham breta wase yeah for last two calls. Hello. See? Corners. Mini inyamia mi anko.
Onye bibi. Onye bibi.
Just all catch me.
Beti mutoro so na mapake. Bibi awu.
Yes.
Onyame obo osoro bo asase. No di nensia boy. Na that also so no ofumeye. One of the Alpha and Omega. Asidan kanidin. No dumara kwa. Eti da sabe da so tin kwam. Se da so tiase. Na se fie da ko asaba beto meni geri. Eni o my Ghana ni mpanifo a. Eni agomanyafo nyina ne o mum ye kan nyina dia. No Nyankopon sai wo sentontom. Ebeneza aha no Nyankopon edi aba bedru.
See?
Agomanya.
Corner stone. Hello. Hello.
Wafa. Hello.
Wafa.
Brad Jerry.
Ampa mafa.
Brad Jerry na me saka.
Udam. But your brother. Many are
me ready to come out. Brad Jerry ni atu foto. Nyame. Aye dia funyame. Okokroko nyame. Kokore ti aye tusani ho mopo. Opata ko nyame opata ko na waji oko na bone buji da buja ta ko nyina e. Oh papa, ono fivo ye prekete ga bedu fiti ko ti aba waji ji afie. Ono ye da Nyankopon a ucheri na. Uti mu pan ta se da ono to pu wa tanfu anim. Ono ti mu bo pan te be bia kwani. Nyani de fitwe. Ya vante fatu wachre no. Ono na ya fa ye ni ye kuntu. Ono se ni dita mu jata.
Amen.
Everybody, no more Adom from United, no buying, no shamoso. Robin Sanders for almost never didn't chin the pion cost any panic where you see Roger in a mean shroud.
Oh, showers. Now, say, Frosty.
Never, but I'm afraid I got it. I am a fan. Sister,
I was in your shop. I'm going to you. Easy. Say course na song. Ana 10 minutes to 4. Na me patro nyame adom na yetenkwamu a. Me wo enema mienu to do next week. This week Wednesday abra enema no ne for no kasa no meka asem bi. Meka se meka story bi esi o easily atremo. But man share story no no pani bi pa o se na why word up story na ti nso ama. And I'm saying in collaboration with concerned listeners of Amanone for time. It may be better next week Wednesday. I'll tell you that story. And then next week Friday, me pese ye check ya de bi hwa de. Un say Martina radio is waka say amount from free ebu amtimi ka say I feel it in my spirit say ebi nipa be 5 and free na omo entuntun nyame omo mu nyame nsamnane. Oh. And then people will come no nyame tutu brunsu nyame obonsu obawia den no makeka ka ne adia na ne de no minim de ba ya ba mi mu an say mon join me na ye impress nyame ye nyame aye and aye ye mu no I saw something. Now what is the difference between uyi nyame aye ene o se nyame mrane? And you be is it the same thing and a difference room? Nyame adoma next week Friday. You be sure say it no. Monsha ase ndwendwen ho. Say uyi nyame aye. Ene say obo nyame nsamnane no. Ya de krona ana se nsonson yo. Nyame adoma na yetim komu next week. You be sure say it Friday. Right, share no so. Yesu dina ya maso. Fast that can say my Petra Trust. Yeah. Send up us or that, you know, and you'll be in the next 5 years. Where do you want to be? When you are old and gray, send up us a Brabon Bessia Farmer war. Kashan so say it is how much control you have over your money and not how much money you have. Yes. That takes, you know, and as I gives you the key. I'll bet me they achieve your future goals. And until Jabby my Petra, make sure Petra Trust. Say, baby, to me, our boss, and so efficiently, what me control through savings, investment, pensions, and the account baby. Now, my that shine for fair, the dead hammer. Adia yana so mranti bremu wudi ya na so be konkokro bremu ana so mobra yi oba de ne de we wa bere wa bom na so na fe abrabo na bibia ho obi ampe kakra mo wan tafra na chese wo de yefum za akoda o enye etiane Petra Trust and kasa ne na yam wow 0242 435-037. That's 0242 435-037. Or visit us achievemore.petratrust.com. achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, Petra. Now the trust na so call a new Petra achieve more. Kojak Pharma Limited. Ajumekwa emaye Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste. And a fake Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash. Any Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Abusian pachotie. What to say bia ya kan ba onya hu de ye. Ya etoda. U dia sugar wu pa dia frem de ye no. Mo se o se fem o. Obi akwa common orange akutu keke e de pa akwa wo dia na de se fem no. Obi wa de shipa ana de ye chilled amu adwo pa wontimi. Two man ice cream go ntimi because ne se be fem no. Use Kojak F toothpaste and then the mouthwash ebejai. What the end no den pa. Ama sin na ye week. To da kra wo choose am say area. Na too moja. Use Kojak P toothpaste and the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later now I switch to Kojak F. Bibia be fine. O pese yen tentem ma wa aya use Kojak sensitive toothbrush never count. Right. Why was sensitive to ni na be ko. I'm creating a my the original pro code. Yeah, the Kutia code and the flu. I available at pharmacy shops out one in them. The door pan share Kojak Pharma Chia Kwan or Kanshi Drug Lane. Frame was 0249 209 920. I face 0260 870 780. DBS Industries Limited. Make you almost one man sorry. Chance papa perfie. When you be na board dance so sa masa. What we Afibo ensuo beto ehum betu enframa bebo awia bebo etisa de tie color no enfedi esan se eye color link plus roofing sheet oh pre-coated roofing sheet enye roofing sheet na ye twa wi anse de paint ya faso no bi eno am peli off empo na campus chance na rust eno ti na beto bia na nya kukuduro pa na ma 20-year warranty wo so and they say my discount. Let me 5%. Now I tip one so crab from now. What to me say from Shishaya Coin was Pink Test Road. Who free as well? Now what do Papaya Restaurant? It's on the ABR. What they saw best friend 0577 619 102. I face 0543 286 637. Buy1on1.com. Buy1on1.com. Edumakuo ba ko no so boa. Na de ohwehwe wasetrem bia no satimi aka. E wa bra wo mre. Entu tifie. Wo fa laptop and now mobile phone so crowd me login on www.buy1on1.com. Ade bia wo pato bia obenya no ho. Home appliances, building materials, spare parts, asase, edan, just be a wopatobia. Nina available. Ewo buy1on1.com. Now prices no so you good. At the form say moton. A whole crona no so what dear be a old tongue. A boss what the for sale a boy can one them chromosa 2 years near. And they can number now. Apart a reaction number no windscreen number. A come grow be who put one friend or be as a kind of boy. The patcho Fabra buy1on1.com. Uber not of forces here. So the one they call buy1on1.com now cotton wa. Ya nyoshi a free. And a buyers ni sellers ni Asia. Emma business papa be a coso. A buy1on1.com. Just log on right now. www.buy1on1.com. And yes, our friend 0266 637 111 and our face 0302 300 472. And Jason Kunkoma, Bloom Cakes and more. adwumafo nyina Tema Community 1 former commercial bank in Chawa. Yes. Mommy Nyami Show. And now we're trying surprise heavy pa. We share sandwich bin pani at the idea. And the Bakubin worker can't granny dinner crammy hunbo. And in Yama be a shisha pan, I'll be now be no do bomua, Koshadi Tutumua, oh massa. And I'm off for dear Filisa. TV for EDB radio for Bloom cakes and more. Tema for the audio. Yeah. Did that day you fit to my back? Cry now, still Tema for a craft way. As I all move here. That's why I know. A craft way. We are Timagi. Now we Mrs. Obeng Georgia phones. Now what the coffee P no more ewo body line. And then Pastor Augustine Smart and the wife. And then just say two. Oh, why are Katie? Oh, Debbie. Bottom of way. Oh, Master Jai. Who casts over body of a chin? Tamafo. More. Debbie, I'm come to the one bomb prime mom's Sasa de moya wadwen panu nyame hyehyɛ mo nyuma saa no mbie bie kwan kɛse mamo saa na sandwich na timse mu ode ye wa wo pɛ bie na ya contact me wate mi twa link no mu ode man for di tafita from sasa ne ade am say ade kada bia no pa bia unya ne saa so an kanya ba de saa kura Bloom cakes and more. The church Amunina.
Justice. As a woman, HealthLink range of products have been my companion, and thanks to Antiama for introducing an Adom HealthLink Omega-3 fish oil, which contains fatty acid that has enabled me to be very active without stress. HealthLink Immune System Tablet, formulated with a rich content of vitamins A, C, B6 and B12 as well as selenium, is helping my body mount good defense against all diseases and promote wound healing and recovery from ill health. And the ideal part is it's a once daily dosing and can be taken as food supplement. HealthLink Omega-3 fish oil and HealthLink Immune System tablets are available in pharmacies and chemical shops. Bulk purchase, contact PharmaTrust Limited or call 0561 088 663 0561 088 666. HealthLink, your link to a healthier lifestyle. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Food and Drugs Authority.
Sorry na seta wuko ye ena mene me menya dan omo ansase wa masamai kaswa ensawam oyibi dodowa adenta oyarefa tema chopoli dowenya pram dansuma sakamai botiano tuba road widiba Cherry Hills ena dobro
ebinso airport residential dansuma ena East Legon
Sovereign Estate ewo Accra New Town wani Washington Bay no ewo Accra New Town Caprice Road ena dinsha nimu commercial bank enachi for 027 001 2295 050 054 5457 Sovereign Estate where God
I come. Yeah, ba. I didn't come. Omo makade. Nti pacho soil estate any Roma insecticide spray and then a mosquito coil. Akamu echi no beba. Na de ohunu se o mienu and adaroma almost mu ema yiti afutu dani de nyina e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so Adom 106.3 FM. Eti yebetie ene asem adi tu ho fono na quickly iwie ni sana ye de omo aseda no atoa so e de amom. Asem we di tu your fo e wo Ofie Kwanso medie no so no asem no obrofo kasem say it's inevitable to face challenges in life, but being defeated by them is optional. Tibimu, it is inevitable to face challenges in life, but being defeated by them is optional. Say ye nipa na eya asase so nkoa na ewe die ekwan bia so no o haw ne amane bia ebeba ya kwan mu ne die eye den ya ebeba esan se ekan ho na emom se sa kwansidie ne o haw ne akodan na binum ne sa ne amane ma ne ebeba be twetwa ya na mu no na ye be masa de enya yen sutumi na adi yen sunkunim no eno de wa ope no e na be mana ba no sa na semi e pachre na chese ohaw ne de beba mum na mum o ma ohaw ne du sunkunim de a na se be na ohaw no be du sunkunim no eno de ejina wa so se o ma ho kwan a e na ebam sa meaning se wa ma ho kwan de a e na enya de betimi adu sunkunim do. The challenges might be there, all right, but ain't mean defeat you because one chooses are optional. So this afternoon, which option are you going for? Would you opt for say challenges beba na defeat you, and now challenges never now be defeated challenges? No, it depends on you. I can't force that one on you. Also, I would tell you can't force that on me. The decision rests on me, and I also there on you. En tu be hwe no enipa mienu betimi akọ similar situation mu omu nyina betimi afọ how baakum e bi omu nyina etu anamo baako eye adwuma kro na business kro na mu nyina mo hyase mo starting fresh na mu share a particular challenge. That challenge ne baaye no sa kwansidie na eba adwuma no mu no ama obaako abubu na hwe atutu na pre nyina amenei adwuma na gu antimi anko nanim bi but obehwe no obi foforo so the same problem na no so face here but wa ma ho kwan ama sa problem no amubu no anwo ama adwuma na anwu ope kwan so ko obefa so a obekọ around the problem watimi a solve problem na wa yi afi o se de be ya obeto aso abobra no akọ nanim. That is the optional clause na ewo ho no. Enti emenya wadwen say ansana obetimi adi ye ansana bibia betimi akoso yi ama pepepe wa brabo no mu no esese obra no kote san wa bra o haw ne amane bia akwansidie bia akwanhia bia ema wakwam enti sada. Every successful person bia successful businessman bia no uhia no na one on one wona ne transit din komo na o kan business na hyase e kirew said your shas baby or not the free baby or the bedru challenges I would wa fam bra wa brene ade or catch wa because hey sir. And so sometimes say you share the glory aspect of it. Any baby a human bedu how great and mighty he looks, how beautiful he looks near adena. Now your praises in kwa by na you refi suffering no nipa ne firm challenges no nipa ne firm no. to the can say hey man we didn't tell you as a business we hey Charlie papa we on as if what they common yom do minua sacrifices are why ye bra onipa na bread challenges are what fam one massa de no almon to no so wo catch the one ka betai wani mu 2 minutes and some waka to but obi fufron so bi betimi afesi the same challenge and not challenges e wadwuma kro na bia ono so ayem but ono the challenges ne buy na ye and I mean ko ade and mabusu of pam ye and obi a man hwadwuma se mi ni na hwe asema beto me hwe so ma begum adwuma ma me na fe eno ano no aka wantimi anko biem ti dia kan de ye wa o how ne amane ne beba akwansidie ne beba challenges ne beba all right but say challenges ne beba no ebebo ahwe ase for good na untimi nsori nyina wona so biem no eno ye optional eno de ejina wo so o ma ho kwan a ena ebam sa na wa ma ho kwan a enya de a ebebam sa de ama ho. It is inevitable to face challenges in life, but being defeated by them is optional. We near somewhere there, you did 2 years hopeful. I will feel quite sujumedi eso. Min pie bonnet say, Nyame be ya wadom. Na wa mouse and hoden no, any nimdie no. I bet me amount dear D and social bia. Akwansidie bia beba wa kwan mu bia so no enkonim na watimi apema konkan e wa abrabo mu na awie wiye na asiwiye e wo Yesu dim amen. Ye first so aseda ma Soaring Estate many Soaring Estate from penny for kotna ase di nkomo na kwakume koya amasem eyetiawa meye na meka chom se opani Umpeni for no way because Matisse Adwuma a group of young Christians. So yes, I will make the arrangement for you to come. Na yeshia ni enim komo. And yes, I said me yakwe ni amon sem no bi be ni advert na me see there be ni ade. But e bana sase ho sem okromu a aya na e yowu asem. Nipa bebre afa so ahwere omo nkwa e wa asase ho e won kran kromu especially Assassin man so training langas 70 enipa bebre wo hono a anka owo the means na obetimi ato assassin no ankasa sin dance so but osi da bi osuro akoya yam hihye wan hwe yi ana do nkwan kwa kotwa so assassin man so twene ade obetimi tua assassin ba akopotimi tua ka be 3-4 times because okotua ka wie yo so okosia krofo abom so say yo mo dia je osan koto free we ho saa ne ade anti ho asem kan den enti me de manu kese yi ebebo Soaring Estate hu dawuro a kire nkrofo so mo fom nko hyem me am pese me hu say eye genuine eye correct said ye be ya me dwamu a metimi adwamu yi na me ankasa kura nso meti ho no ma say ese me kopa sase bi to na me de ye ma ade bi ni ade a eti me pe omo eye credible enom say ne ye ntena se na me hwehwe omo krata asemu ni ade any botaye esi omoni so and I'm saying this is a serious company. In fact, many ajo mo ho abusua Soaring Estate se wo pasase ato e won kran han ko ade a me de metimi am advice ne se enkoto ba bia koto wo Soaring Estate na koto ho a o how bia ni akiri se de da bia ya meka no a group of young Christians and now back together say as a song to me yisa assassin man so problems na ma ene young people entimi hwe from honhim enton sase e won kran kromu a yisa problem ne fio to omo agin sase akese e wo beautiful locations na omo akra san sidan na in fact omo sanu adwuma efe ene pa me some of their works na say wow a bano interior decor near the adin so oh masajai no room office or crowd yes these people they mean business it me patrol passase ato and now open dan ato who sign Soaring Estate who are why mistake medium number ne be ma me nkasa nche na etro number ne to usika ni nya ba no pe frɛ mo ana kra na ni mu anim ya de ne omu ni nkomo na hwɛ nhyehyɛ ya omo wo betimi di aboa wo Nebia, what you be near the Adiana or the Mepachi? 027 001 2295 027 001 2295 Afe 050 054 5457 050 054 5457 and now bet me so send the WhatsApp at the afa number we so and no dey WhatsApp nko and no yen frɛ 0244 721348 0244 721348 yeah office ewo Accra Newtown so yeah one say uduka price na ubu fast ro say the other kwa Accra Newtown na okọ kakra washing baby na on only washing baby washing business na ye opposite pe nanim ho pe ehwa na omo wo de offer mo be ma direction na wako sorry estate where God lives tino mo tagline kra de no di no kra Roma insecticide spray I just say one use and tontom ne macho se den kra one time wawu flying insect crawling insect omo nyina ekuom one time kakalika ne kapenom ne atatianom ne ade nyina once na mu nyina nya tontom ko a kyese e pampam samwa nyina afiu asetrem se be ya won so ho ebetimi atɔ afi ne mosquito coil so ho eno so so a e smokeless obeka sa dumusu na e adwuma isan sempu wisie etiam fa cold ni flu ne kata ne headaches bia ma be jeja so nemum entontom no be discipline se be ya so da obeda no watimi aso da e pakama pa e available shops ne stores ne supermarkets awodo nyina mu Roma entontom master tontom suo ne keke bomode aso be pe bi echi akwan na so wode abo wabusua no enyina eho ban 106.3 ena waso egusu a otie.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
More great music coming up next on this your favorite station,
106.3 FM.
With the man,
Jerry Justice.
Higher, baby.
This is
Adom FM, 106.3.
That's insane. That's insane. Yeah, from the same. My child should do, mommy Jimmy, who I